welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for all the love and support you've given us. It means the world and keeps us going on this journey of exploring everyday psychology with you. So, let's dive in. Here's a little secret for you: psychology is awesome. Not only is the mind a fascinating place, but it's also full of subtle psychological tricks that anyone can use, if they know what they are. So, let's say you want someone to notice you. What are some things you can do to show them how amazing you are and maybe, just maybe, make them fall for you? Well, psychology has some answers, some obvious, some not so obvious. So here are 6 psychological tricks that can make anyone fall for you. 1. Mirror the person you like. Ever heard of the chameleon effect? Just remember to keep it natural. If you go overboard, it might feel creepy instead of charming. 2. Spend more time with them. This one's old school, but it works, thanks to something called the mere exposure effect. The more time someone spends around you, the more familiar and comfortable they become. Even if you're not saying anything groundbreaking, just being present can make a difference. Think of it like your favorite commercial: you see it often, and eventually, it starts to grow on you. 3. Show you're smart, but still human. Did you know people don't actually like perfection? It can be intimidating or even unrelatable. A famous study from the University of Texas showed that people found someone more attractive when they were intelligent and made a small mistake, like spilling coffee. The takeaway? Show you're capable, but don't be afraid to let your human side shine through. People love someone who's smart and real. 4. Radiate positive energy. We all love being around happy people, right? If your interactions with someone are mostly positive, they'll start to associate you with those good feelings. According to research, we can actually pick up on someone's mood just by being around them. So if you're in a good mood, don't hide it, let it shine. Your positivity is contagious, and it just might make someone feel great whenever they're around you. 5. Wear red. Yup, it's that simple. Studies have shown that the color red can make you appear more attractive, especially in romantic situations. Men, for example, were more drawn to women wearing red than those wearing blue in a study published in the European Journal of Social Psychology. So, next time you're going out on a date, bring out that red outfit. It might just give you a little psychological edge. 6. Make a strong first impression. First impressions matter, a lot. And not just in person. Even photos can influence how people perceive you. A study showed that people formed lasting judgments about others based on just a photograph, and those impressions stayed even after meeting in real life. So when you're about to meet someone new, whether online or offline, make it count. Be on time, be kind, and bring that positive energy. So there you have it. 6 psychology-backed tricks to help someone see just how amazing you are. Which one would you like to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little extra help impressing their crush. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.